Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, El Cuatro Official. And for today's video po, yung pag-uusapan natin is all about Uno Bank, how you can enroll sa online application nila. And before we start, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button so that you will be notified on my next videos. So, let's go guys. Punta po tayo sa Play Store. Search pa natin is Uno Bank. Okay. Tayo dito, Uno Bank. Okay, so, yan po, Uno Bank. Hit install. Ayan, nag-install po siya. So, wait na lang po tayo na ma-install na po yung app successfully. And then po guys, yan, na-install lang po siya. I-open nyo lang po yung application. And then, allow, just allow. And then, meron dito silang important update na magpa-pop up sa screen sa application. Just click the X button. Okay, so fast account setup, on board with us and get a customized pre-approved list of products in just a few minutes. So click next. Yan, next nyo lang po. Next. And then join Uno. Okay, so may we know your mobile number? Lagay nyo lang po dito yung mobile phone number nyo. Dyan, sa box na ito. Okay. Okay guys, so ito na po siya. Enter nyo lang po dito yung OTP code nyo na na-receive nyo sa mobile phone number na ginamit nyo po dito sa Uno application nyo. Okay, so enter po natin yung code. Okay guys, so after you enter the code, ito na yung screen na lalabas. So, do you have a referral code or promotional code? If wala, no lang. If meron, yes. And then, lagay nyo lang dito yung mga information nyo dito. So, no lang po yun muna. And then, next. Alright, so, right now po, let's get started. What would you like to open? Ano po yung gusto nyo open? Scroll down. Yan. You have option to open a savings account or you can apply for a loan. So right now po, yung gagawin natin is mag-open tayo ng savings account because if you already have an Uno account, meron po dong options to apply for a loan. So just apply now. And then check nyo lang yung mga boxes po. Then basa-basa din dito. Agree and continue. So dito sa stage na ito, the first step is magsascan ka ng ID. Yan. Take your selfie and then fill out details. So, just get started. And guys, ito po yung mga list of IDs na accepted sa Kayuni application. Driver's license, passport, UMID, PhilHealth ID, PRC, and SSS PhilSys ID or Philippine ID. Okay, so mag-choose na po kayo dito. Just one. Yan. So, try natin yung PhilSys ID. Continue. Yan po, start ID scan. Kailangan po yung mga edge ng IDs nyo is visible po. And then, dapat clear. Hindi po siya blurry. Okay. So, after that, next step is